11th one, write a NumPy program to test whether each element of a 1D array is also present in the second array. So we have to check whether one array elements is present in the second array elements. Okay, if it is present, it returns true, otherwise it returns false. So we have to check that, like we have to check like a in 1D function is there. Check here. We have defined one array here 0 1 2 4 5 and another array here 0 2. We have to check whether one array element is present in the second element here. Okay, so if it is present, it returns true, otherwise false. Okay, for that we have to use here NumPy function here. Okay, end function is there, and first it take 4 parameters, but I am the other 2 parameters are optional. Array 1 is there, array 2 parameters here, and return type is boolean here. Okay, array only boolean here. See parameters here, check here parameters, check parameters. Array like value, I guess, which is array 1. Okay, check the parameters, returns is and the array boolean type here. Okay, see the examples are there. Test equal np.array 0502 mask. See what is array with true false. 0 is present true, 1 is not present false, 2 is present true, so false to true. So we can check here example, simple one. Okay, to check whether elements present or not. Okay, this is a program about. For that we have to use, see, true false 0 present in second element true, 1 is not present in the second element false, 2 is present in second element true, 4 5 false. Okay, like that. Check just to check whether elements are present in the second array or not. For that we have to use n1d function. Okay.